had numerous problems that had been in the hands of somebody that abused it, but now it's working great. I'm on 40 meter band monitoring on my Kenwood R2000. We're transmitting into a Palstar dummy load. Bring up the volume. Hello. Hello, 1, 2. So I'm monitoring the modulation right now. I'm loaded up to about 300 milliamps. Putting out a little over 120 watts. Plenty of forward modulation. Sounds great. Alright, here's a close-up for metering. Here's my grid current. Plate. Modulation idling at 50 mils. And of course, there it is, talking on the R2000. It's crystal clear.